Hello kids, today we will learn 3-letter words with A in middle in cursive writing. We will learn how to write in cursive 3-letter words. Now let's start. First is B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Now we'll write bat with small b. Second word is cat, C-A-T, cat. First we will write C as capital, cat, C-A-T, cat. Now we will write as C small, C-A-T, cat. Next word is car, C-A-R, car. First we will write C as capital, car. Now we will write C in small. Next word is jar. First we will write J as capital, J-A-R, jar. Now we will write J small, jar. Now we'll repeat it. B-A-T, bat, C-A-T, cat, C-A-R, car, J-A-R, jar. Our next word is map, M-A-P, map. First we will write M as capital, map. Now we will write small m, map. Our next word is tap, T-A-P, tap. First we will write T as capital, T-A-P, tap. Now we will write small, T-A-P, tap. Our next word is bag, B-A-G, bag. First we will write capital B. Now we will write small b. B-A-G, bag. Our next word is cap, C-A-P, cap. First we will write C as capital. Now we will write C as small, C-A-P, cap. Let's repeat once. M-A-P, map, T-A-P, tap, B-A-G, bag, C-A-P, cap. Our next word is hat, H-A-T, hat. First we will write H as capital, H-A-T, hat. Now we will write small, H-A-T, hat. Now we'll move further. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. Now with small r, R-A-T, rat. Our next word is M-A-T, mat. M as capital, A-T, mat. M as small, M-A-T, mat. Our next word is fat, F-A-T, fat. F as capital, F as small, F-A-T, fat. Once repeated, H-A-T hat, R-A-T rat, M-A-T mat, F-A-T fat. Our next word is fan. F-A-N fan. First we'll write fan, F-A-N fan. With small f, F-A-N fan. Our next word is M-A-N man. M-A-N man. With small m, M-A-N man. Our next word is pan. P-A-N pan. Pan. Now with small p, P-A-N pan. Our next word is van. V-A-N van. V as capital, V-A-N van. Now with small v, V-A-N van. Now let's once repeat it. F-A-N fan, M-A-N man, P-A-N pan, V-A-N van. I hope kids you like this video and learned a lot. See you soon in our next video. Keep watching. Thank you.